This video is for your Photoshop Task 2, which is to create one logo design for your website. I said your website because on week 5 and week 6, I'm not sure, maybe week 5, you're going to create your own website and you need a logo for your website. So that's why I'm asking you to create a logo on your own. So for Photoshop Task 2, this is very crucial because I'm not really good at Photoshop. Okay, so I'm not I'm not a graphic designer. I just know the basic stuff on it, but I'm not that really professional or good. So if you are really have talent on designing, or if you have skills on using Photoshop and you want to expand more, or you want to design more, or you want me to showcase your talent so I can probably recommend you to my clients in the future, then this is your chance for me to show how you can create a very nice logo design for your website. Any design, okay? Whatever you want for your website, whatever is your branding is all about, that's fine. You can create on your own using Photoshop. So basically, if you don't have Photoshop, or if you're not that really good at Photoshop, or you don't want to use Photoshop, then you can skip this task. Okay, just proceed to the next one. But if you're interested in using Photoshop, and then you have Photoshop installed on your laptop and you really want to try, you really want to explore the use of Photoshop, then I recommend you to explore it, to try it. Okay, open your Photoshop platform, your app in your laptop, and start using it. Okay, so like I'm showing you here on my screen right now. So you just open your Photoshop. I don't know how much the Photoshop right now in the market, but I think it's somewhere $99, or I'm not sure, or $200. I'm not sure. There are crack ones that you can install, but I don't really like the crack ones. There are viruses on the crack ones. So as you can see on my screen, you can explore everything here. So usually what they do is just you create new, you click the new untitled. Let's say for example it's logo, and you can choose your sizes here for your logo. I'm not really sure with the sizes, so I just click this one. Okay. Oh, so this is like rectangular one. So it's supposed to be uh I don't know. It's supposed to be like so this one is already transparent, but you can actually make it non-transparent. I don't know how to make it non-transparent anymore. See, I don't know. You can probably just feel, yeah, the normal color. Okay, so when you click on, so where did I go for that one? I think I just go to the edit, and then I click on fill. So I fill it. It's not transparent anymore. And you can actually insert images here. You can add layers. There are so many options in Photoshop. They said it's endless option for designing. You can write text. Yeah, everything you want. So I'm not really, I don't really know how to create stuff here. Actually, they still, there are, I think there are plugins or extension that they use where you can insert shapes and other stuff here, but I'm not really sure how to use it. So I don't know how to use it. Okay, so if you have talent, if you know what you're doing, and you want to use Photoshop for your logo, go for it. I'm adding you an extra point. Okay, so if you're really a graphic designer, or if you have talent for designing, or if you have started using Photoshop from previous experiences, then do it and show to me your logo using the Photoshop. I would know if it's Photoshop. Okay, because I will ask you to save it as you save it as a PSD. Okay, for example here, Photoshop, you save it at PSD PDD, so I can open it on Photoshop. Do not save it on JPEG. Do not save it on JPEG or PNG. I want you to save it, your logo, to PSD or PDD. That way, when I check your logo, I can open it on my Photoshop platform and I will see if it's really from Photoshop. And if it's not, then I would know. I would know if it's not. Because my instruction for you is to save it on PSD, okay? So you have to save it on PSD. Remember that. If it's not saved in PSD and you claim it, you did it on Photoshop, then I will ask you again to save it in PSD. So you have to save it in PSD and send it to me to Google Drive. Share the file to me in Google Drive. If Google Drive will not upload it, just send to me on Slack because probably Google folder will be picky on the file names or the file extension, but it usually just save up on Google Drive. So you don't have problem saving files in Google Drive. Okay? So that's the video tutorial and instruction for Photoshop Task 2. Bye!